Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold this origami dragon. This is something that I came up with when I was watching Shang-Chi and the Ten Rings. They had an origami dragon in there, so I wanted to design a dragon similar to that. It didn't turn out very similar, but it's still a pretty good design, so with that being said, here's how to fold it. Alright, so for a model this size, I'm going to use a 6-inch square. This model is medium level complexity, but I wouldn't recommend this if you're new to folding. Alright, so we're going to start white side up, and we're going to valley fold diagonally in half. Alright, now let's unfold, and let's valley fold in the other direction. Alright, now we want to make a pinch mark bringing this point up to this point, just in the middle. And then let's unfold, and then now let's bring this point again up to the pinch mark that we just made. Alright, and we're going to fold all the way across this time. And now you want to make a fold that brings this point up to this point. So let's turn it this way, and let's valley fold up. Alright, now let's unfold, and let's reverse fold inside. Like that, and then let's do the same thing over here. Alright, now let's turn it this way, and I'm going to zoom in, and we're going to work a little bit on this part. Alright, now we want to bring this edge up to this center line. It's a very small fold. Alright, now let's unfold, and then let's squash fold it on the existing creases. Alright, so that's what it should look like. If you use 10-inch paper, this might be a bit easier. 6 inches is a little tedious. Alright, now we want to bring this edge to the center. We're going to petal fold this flap. And then let's do the same on this side. Then let's unfold, and let's petal fold up on the creases that we made. Alright, and then now let's valley fold this small flap down. And then let's fold this flap over to the side. And then let's do the same thing with this flap. Alright, so it should look like that, and then now we're going to bring this flap up, and let's zoom out. This is as tedious as it's going to get, so it won't be as bad from here. Alright, now let's valley fold this point up to this point. Alright, and make sure these flaps get folded as well. Then let's unfold. And then we're going to blend space all the 4 corners to this center point. Alright, and let's unfold. Again, make sure that this bit is on the top. Alright, and actually we're going to keep these ones folded. And then let's turn over. And then let's bring this edge to the center crease here. And we're not going to let the flap behind swing out, we're just going to keep it. Alright, like that. Be careful around here, don't rip it like I did. And then let's do the same on this side. Alright, and yeah, make sure the layers don't slide. Alright, now let's valley fold, or rather mountain fold the whole model in half. And it's going to be a little thicker up here because this is where the tiny detail work is that we did. Alright, now we want to make a valley fold on this line. Let's unfold. And then we're going to do 2 reverse folds. So if we open it up, we see 2 V's. So we're just going to reverse fold on those. Alright, so on the inside, those 2 V's are mountain folds, and we just brought the model together like this. Alright, now we want to fold this edge up to this crease. Alright, and then let's unfold. And then we want to open sync it inside. So let's open up the model and let's sync it inside. And this is going through all the layers here. Alright, now once you have your creases, you can close the model up. Alright, now the point has been sunk, and then let's turn over and then do the same thing with this point. Alright, now let's valley fold this flap down, and we're going to do the same on this side as well. And then make sure the layers are even on top. And we want to bring this point down to this point. Alright, and let's unfold, and then now we're going to reverse fold on that crease. Alright, now we're going to fold this flap up to the center crease. And let's unfold, and then we're just going to reverse fold that inside. Alright, and then let's turn over, and then let's do the same thing. Alright, like that. Alright, now we're going to do something similar on this side. So again, let's make a valley fold right here. Let's unfold, and then let's open it up. And again, let's make 2 reverse folds. Alright, now let's valley fold this edge to this edge. And let's unfold, and let's open this up, and then let's open sync inside. And there's going to be this little protrusion here, so you want to push this in. So I guess it kind of makes this a close sync a little bit. And then close the model back up. Alright, now let's turn over and let's do the same thing. Alright, so it should look like that. Alright, now let's valley fold this down. Let's valley fold it down behind as well. And then let's make a fold bringing this point down to this point. Alright, now let's unfold and then reverse fold. Alright, now let's valley fold this up to the center line, then unfold, and then reverse fold inside on the crease that we just made. Alright, now let's turn over and let's do the same thing. Alright, and then one little thing, we're going to open up this flap. And let's bring this upwards, and then let's close it back up. And then let's also do the same here. Let's open this up, let's bring this flap up, it'll be a little bit thicker, and then let's valley fold in half, like that. Alright, now we're going to thin out the tail a little bit. So first, before we do that, this is white, but we don't want it to be white. So we're going to unwrap these corners to the outside. So we want to unfold the model quite a bit here, like that. And then let's put our fingers right here, and then let's push inside and then collapse it back. We're making no new creases here. This is all on the existing creases. So it should look like that. And then close the model back up. And now you can see this is red. And if we valley fold this behind, it should look like that. Alright, now we're going to thin the tail. So let's valley fold this up just to the edge. And let's unfold. And then let's mountain fold inside, tucking it into this pocket. So it's just this first pocket right here. Alright, and make sure it comes to a nice point up here. And then let's close them all back up. And then let's do the same on this side. Alright, so that is the thinned out tail, and just as a little step, we're going to valley fold this up, and then valley fold this up as well. And then the model should look like that. Alright, so believe it or not, we are almost done, and we just have to make some minor final details, and we'll be done. Alright, so first, we want to mount and fold this behind, making a fold between this point and this point. Like that, and then let's close them all back up, and then let's do the same here. Alright, and then let's open the model up, and we're going to bring this little flap back. So just bring it down as far as it will go. And then close the model back up. And then we're going to crimp this flap out. It doesn't really matter how much, just bring it up like that. Alright, now we're going to just reverse fold the head out, just to get it into frame. Alright, and then we can bring the mouth down. Like that. Make sure the layers are even or else the mouth won't come out. Alright, and then for the horns, let's just pinch them just a little bit. Alright, and that's what the head looks like. Alright, so let's bring the front legs forwards on both sides. And then let's pleat the back legs also on both sides. Alright, and then as a final step, we're just going to curve everything. So let's go like this. The layers are really thick, so it should be very malleable, but just be sure not to rip the paper, because that is also a possibility. And then we're going to curve the tail in the same way. There's less chance of ripping because there's less layers, but also it may not be as malleable in your hands. Alright, and that is the finished dragon. I hope you're able to fold this, and in the meantime, have fun folding. Bye.